Dear Hind teachers, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you just needed someone to truly listen and understand? That feeling of being genuinely heard and supported can make all the difference. Today, we are diving into a key topic: empathy, meaning listening carefully, acknowledging feelings, offering support, and showing you care. And that can make a big difference. As teachers, we should focus on helping our students build these important skills. By the end of the session, you will be ready to guide your students in understanding what empathy is, how it is different from sympathy, and why it is such a vital skill. And what better than a story to build this skill? Have you read Munshi Premchand's Eidgah? It's a touching story that perfectly illustrates what empathy means. It's about a little boy named Hamid who goes to the Eid fair with his friends. While his friends are excited to buy toys and sweets, Hamid has only 3 paise. Even though he would love to have a toy, he decides to buy a pair of tongs for his grandmother instead. And she often burns her fingers while cooking, and Hamid wants to help her. Hamid chooses to give up his own treat because he understands his grandmother's pain. His friends laugh at him, but he's proud because he knows he has done something meaningful. And when he gives the tongs to his grandmother, she's moved to tears by his thoughtfulness. This story demonstrates how empathy fosters understanding and compassion. Once the story wraps up, it's time to get your students talking. Ask questions like, how did Hamid show empathy? Why did Hamid decide to buy the tongs for his grandmother instead of a toy for himself? How did Hamid's grandmother react when she got the tongs? What might sympathy look like in this story? How is it different from what Hamid did? Now that we have discussed empathy, let's break it down. Empathy is all about stepping into someone else's shoes, really feeling what they feel, and responding with care. It's different from sympathy. For example, if Hamid had only felt sorry for his grandmother but not bought the tongs, that would be sympathy. He wouldn't have taken action. Empathy means deeply connecting with someone's experience and showing that understanding through your actions. So, why is empathy a game changer? Think about it. Would you want to be friends with someone who cares like Hamid? How about getting support from someone who truly understands you just like Hamid did? In group projects, wouldn't having a partner with Hamid's empathy make the result amazing? Does tuning into others' feelings spark fresh ideas and creativity? And when conflicts arise, can Hamid's empathy help us handle emotions and solve problems more effectively? Extend the learning now. Engage your students in an interesting activity to reinforce these ideas. Here's what you will all need. Prepare small cards. Write different scenarios on cards, like a friend loses a pet, or someone is being bullied, or best friend moves away. Have your students draw a card and discuss how they would feel in that situation and how they would respond with empathy. Let each group present their ideas to the class. After the activity, lead a discussion with your students. How did it feel to think about someone else's perspective? What did you learn about showing empathy? Here is a snapshot of the session. Number 1. Share a scenario. Use a story, news piece, or clip to set the stage. Number 2. Ask and discuss. Engage students with questions and discussions. Number 3. Explain the benefits. Show why the skill or value is useful. Number 4. Do an activity. Give students a hands-on activity for practice. Dear teachers, you have the power to shape how your students see the world. By teaching them to be empathetic, you are helping them grow into kind and understanding individuals. Thanks for watching. Let's make our classrooms a place where every student feels understood and valued. See you next time. Learning outcomes. Learners will be able to understand what empathy means and how it's different from sympathy. Practice being kind and understanding in their own life.